Hello, everyone. Welcome to the UltFone channel. I recently encountered a frustrating iPhone 17 issue where it suddenly goes black and becomes unresponsive to all attempts to open it. However, don't worry, I have discovered 4 effective ways to restart your iPhone and get it working again. Let's get started. Before trying any of these methods, be sure to perform a quick preliminary check. Ensure that your iPhone 17 is connected to a charger and has at least 50% battery. If it still does not respond, try using a different charger or power outlet. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. This can resolve minor software issues that prevent your iPhone from turning on. For the iPhone 17, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. If successful, congratulations on solving the problem. If not, don't panic, we are just getting started. Method 2. Repair with iTunes. If a forced restart is unsuccessful, you can try using iTunes to repair your iPhone. This process will restore your iPhone to its factory settings, which means all of your data will be erased. First, you need to put your iPhone into recovery mode. For the iPhone 17, connect it to iTunes. Press the volume up and volume down buttons, then hold the power button until it enters recovery mode. At this point, select Restore from the pop-up menu in iTunes, and once the required firmware is downloaded, the restoration process will begin. Method 3. Using UltFone iOS System Repair. This tool can fix over 150 iOS issues without deleting your data. To use UltFone iOS System Repair, first download and install it on your computer, linking to the instructions in the video description. Connect your iPhone to enter recovery mode by quickly pressing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally pressing and holding the power button until you see the recovery screen. Open UltFone and click the Start Repair button. Select Standard Repair, which will not delete your data and is capable of solving most system problems. The software will prompt you to download the corresponding firmware to fix the iPhone system problem. Wait patiently for the download process, which will take about 10 minutes depending on your network speed. After the download is complete, I believe that after the repair is completed, your phone will be back to normal. Method 4. Contact Apple support. If none of this helps, it may be due to hardware damage. At this point, you have the option of contacting Apple support for a proper diagnosis. They can check if there is any missing hardware. Therefore, it is necessary to visit the Apple website to make an appointment for further help. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section and we will be happy to assist you. See you in the next video.